First of all, the website we're going to be using is this one. You can find it by just typing regex101.com on your browser searching bar. This website has three main parts. We are going to use this field right here to write our regex. This one is to enter our task string. And finally, the last one is going to have some explanation of the regex that we are going to be typing right here. So all those explanations, little details about the regex that we are writing right here is going to be put in this chart right here, explanation. So let's start. As well as double quotes are kind of a container for a string, 2 forward slashes is a container for our regex. So as you guys can see here, we already have 2 forward slashes on the regular expression field. One in the beginning and another in the final of the regex. So this is like a container for our regex. We have to put our regex inside 2 forward slashes. So let's write a pattern right here and see if it's present in the test string below it. Let me write tree and let me enter a test string right here. Tree. So this is a task string, and as you guys can see, we have a match right here. So by using my regular expression and the task string, the system could find a substring that has that pattern that is specified on my regular expression. Basically, what is happening here is we try to check if there is a substring in the task string that has this pattern that we specified right here. And by the way, guys, we're just trying to find the first occurrence of this pattern. So the next ones are going to be ignored. As you guys can see, we have 2 more occurrences of the pattern tree in this task string. We have like the second one here and the third one here. But we are only trying to find the first occurrence of this pattern on the task string, you know? So that's what's happening right here, right now. But we can solve this problem by using the G flag. A flag is a special char that can be put after the second forward slash to add extra meaning to our regex. So to fix this problem here, we can add, you guys can go to this little flag right here after the second forward slash, as I said. And you guys can search for the first flag, that is the global flag, that is represented by a G character. So as you guys can see, I have a forward slash, my pattern, that is the string tree, the final forward slash, and a G flag. So what the G flag does is to allow us to search for all the occurrences of this pattern right here on our task string. As you guys can see, all the occurrences of this pattern is highlighted on our task string because I added the G flag right here. Without it, we are only going to find the first occurrence of this pattern. So basically, we use the G flag to find all the occurrences of the pattern on the task string. But there's a lot of other flags that we can use. You guys can click this option right here and it's going to show you guys a lot of flags, a lot of options. For example, we can use the insensitive flag that is represented by an I character, and the I flag adds case insensitiveness to our regex. By default, our regex is gonna be case sensitive. So let me just take the I flag out for a second to show that to you guys. So if I type tree, it's not gonna match. So it's not going to be a substring that has this pattern because our regex by default is case sensitive. This is not gonna match. But if we want to add case insensitiveness to our regex, we can use the I flag, as I said. Now, as you guys can see, the substring tree, all in uppercase letters, is highlighted. It's like it has this pattern. If I write this is going to match too. This is going to match too because our regular expression is now case insensitive. As I said before, we have a lot more options regarding flags here, so you guys can check it out afterwards.